Kalong ke Jingïaid ni kabalang Katolik Shillong hadian bones nam bau nong mikmat jong Pope Francis unwan banyu kejat hanong ba Shillong banya simbenta haka Procession Eucharist kapan long haka khat artare unai wing arja apulai. Haka juk apor kan long ru ke Jingïaid mod ke Jingker Khu ya ke Don Bosco Technical School bah haka Jingrakhi jong ke centenary lani ke Jingdap Shispa snam jong ni ke school unwan kumukong san banya don benta haka ni ke sngi ka khatwai tare unai wing arja apulai. Lasenran lang yung apostolic Nuncio do Father Ilario Girelli, padu Father Giuseppe Locatelli.
On behalf of the Archbishop, I take this opportunity to welcome you. Right now, the Archbishop is having the Holy Mass in Don Bosco, in which you will also be attending the program at 5:30. And for us, as you said, to come to Shillong, I think it is easier to go to heaven. But when you reach Shillong, it is also like heaven. We will always remember that you say that to us. And in fact, we feel very, very glad and feel very, very happy to have you in our midst. And His Excellency, in fact, has a number of programs, even in the Northeast. The number of programs that he cancelled the program. We were praying so hard that he will not cancel this program. And finally, he made it, and he's here with us. And in fact, we have asked him long time back to come and witness the Eucharistic procession. And therefore, so he is here to come and witness. Our faithful will be coming tomorrow. We are expecting 1 lakh or more than 1 lakh people will be coming for the program tomorrow. And your presence with us adds so much of joy and so much of happiness. And definitely, we are so happy to have you in our midst. And your coming, in fact, has given us so much of strength and enthusiasm for the Eucharistic procession. In fact, your presence with us will also help us to strengthen the faith in the Eucharist, the faith of our people. So once again, on behalf of the Archbishop, on behalf of the whole diocese, on behalf of every one of us present here, and those not present here, we welcome you in our midst. And we also happy to have Bishop Wilbert. In fact, Bishop Wilbert is supposed also to attend the Mass in Don Bosco, but I have requested him to be here to welcome His Excellency. And thank you very much, Bishop Wilbert, for being with us. And for everyone of us present here, thank you so much. You have made this day very special, but we don't want to make it very long because His Excellency will need a little bit of time for rest before he attends another program in Don Bosco. So once again,
Bishop Wilbert, dear Father Richard, honorable dignitaries, MLS, and ministers, MPs, and all of you, dear people, my deep gratitude for this wonderful welcome with a beautiful Kasi dance. And I come to Shillong always with great joy because you have a very good weather. It's pleasant to be here. You are so joyful people, and I feel at home. And as Father Richard said, coming to Shillong is like training to go to heaven. I come also for that, and I feel really in heaven with you. So thank you very much. I very pleased to be here, and tomorrow to attend the big and great procession. Every procession is a symbol of our life, journeying with God, with our Lord Jesus Christ, and I'm happy to be here and join you in this journey together in this procession. So thank you again for coming and receiving me, and for all of you, a very good evening.